Welcome everyone. This is Kevin LaRocca. Today is Monday, September 17th of 2018. This is going to be my recap of the trades that I made in chat today for our subscribers. The morning action was not typical. Typically we see a lot more follow through, and as I mentioned today in chat, is by and large the best time to trade my core strategy is going to be anytime between 8 a.m. and 12, and then I like to go into what I call the nibble strategy, and then I'll revert back to the core strategy in the evening if I'm doing any trading in the evening. But today, I started off choppy, and the market was really going sideways, which is kind of unusual for early morning action. So after I had I had a win, I had a loss, and then I started getting into my nibble strategy. And when I do a nibble strategy, it's a little bit different than my core strategy in the sense that my what I'm looking to make is a lot less than I'm looking to risk, and so it takes a lot of experience and practice to really get the nibble strategy down. But I'll tell you, if you're having a tough time with the core strategy because the market's not going anywhere and you find that you're starting to dig yourself into a hole, this method will pull you out of it. And as you can see, and I do tend to get a little aggressive with it in the way that I trade it. And so you'll see that when I started going into the nibble strategy, I'm not looking to try to sell it for 52 or buy it at 48. I'm willing to risk a little bit more. In this case, you can see I'm buying it at 64, or I'm selling here at 40. So I'm looking to make 40. I'm looking to make 40 and risk 60. And that's something that I do go through, and I will during the if I feel like I need to start moving over to the nibble strategy. That's something I do discuss in my chat. And I show you exactly how I start making these trades. And so I ended it up the day nice. I stopped trading around 11:05. My net was 216.25. Once again, I was really only looking to make $50 today, but I've been actually having a hard time doing that. And I've been making a little bit more than that, obviously, only because I think it's just ingrained in me to trade a little bit heavier. But nonetheless, that is my objective. And so really almost in one day, I pretty much hit my objective for all week. So if I start off tomorrow and I can start hitting some of my core strategies and I make my 50, then I'll be out for the day. I won't be trading the nibble strategy. I'll be going just for $50, and then I'll be out for the rest of the day and working with my students and helping them achieve their objectives. And as you've been listening to my videos, if you know I always like to trade with an objective in mind, and then once I hit that objective, I'm done for the day. And that's real important, not only to manage your equity, but mentally it's good to try to get yourself in the market, hit your objective, not spend a lot of time in the market, and get out hopefully within an hour. So sometimes you can do it within 5 minutes, but the less time that you trade, you stay in the market, it's a lot less stressful. You're going to find that you're going to be a lot more successful trader by doing that. Nonetheless, if you're not familiar with the core strategy, I am offering a free fundamental video for a short period of time. You can certainly get your hands on it for no charge. And if you're interested, I'll tell you exactly how to do that. Just stay tuned to the end of this video, and I'll give you all the information. Thanks, and I will see you tomorrow on Tuesday, and that will be the 18th of September. Take care. Okay, so here we are. So as I mentioned earlier, if you are interested in getting the free fundamental video, which I am going to offer free of charge right now for a limited time, all you have to do is just go to binaryprostrategies.com. You're going to get a little pop-up, fill out the information, and what I'll do is I will send you a link. It's actually a link to a private Facebook page where you have access. That's where you're going to be able to see the fundamental video, but you're also going to be able to look at my prior trades because I do post them daily. And all these trades are the trades that I demonstrate live in front of my students as I share my charts and I make my trades and I explain and demonstrate to you exactly why I'm making a particular trade, what the particular setup is, and so forth. So it's very educational, but nonetheless, nothing's held back in that fundamentals videos. That is the core strategy that I use to make all the trades that you saw today. And I'm sure that just taking that video and applying the methods that you see there, it's greatly going to improve your trading. But if you do want to go more in depth and really fine tune it, I do offer a service. It's a monthly service where you would then have access to all my other training videos where I go a lot more into detail on each aspect of the core strategy. And of course, I also give additional what I call actionable trade ideas, where there are certain patterns that are not actually in the fundamental video that you can certainly take advantage of, and they're pretty powerful in terms of making money. So nonetheless, that's it. Please come back, and I will have another video tomorrow, and where I'll also share my trades. And once again, if you decide that you do want to join us, what you could do is you could just go ahead and in the Binary Pro Strategies, there's a place where you can go ahead and send me an email if you'd like, or always feel free to give me a call at 469-554-0850. Be glad to answer all your questions. My goal here is to, I've been doing this for 35 years, so my goal here is to help other traders finally see how to truly make money in the markets. And I believe you have a tremendous advantage by using Nadex binary options. So that's it. Wish you the best of success, and hopefully you'll be back tomorrow for my next, where I go over all my trades for that particular day. Take care.